This tutorial is going to show you how to manage comments in WordPress 2.6. Right, so we've logged into our website as usual and we're at the dashboard. Now to begin with, the dashboard's really been updated and it's a good place where you can manage a lot of your comments. Like for example up here it tells you the number of posts you've got, the number of drafts. If you click on that you'll go to all your drafts that you're working on at the moment. If you go across here it says 11 total comments. If you click on that it'll take you to the edit comments page. And if you click on the 2 awaiting moderation, it'll show you the 2 comments that are awaiting for moderation for me. But I just wanted to go through first. There's 2 other tabs that you want to make sure are set up before you start editing your comments to make sure that the comments process works properly. The first one is in Users, Your Profile, and I've just already gone to that here. And what you want to do is you want to go to Your Profile settings and make sure that your email address is in here, because this is the email address that is going to be receiving comments from people, and you'll basically receive them as pretty much like you would an email, and then you can reply to that person's comment directly. So that's the main thing in terms of receiving the comments. That email address has got to be correct. The second thing is you can go across to Settings, Discussion, and this is just getting the comment side of things set up properly. This is the discussion settings in the settings tab. Now, what you've got to have is before a comment appears, you can have that ticked so you always have to approve a comment. If I tick that, no comments will get approved on your website until you say so. I usually like to have them approved automatically. There's a spam filter that filters out spam automatically, so you can pretty safely let that untick that box. All the rest of that should be pretty much as is. I've got it there. Keep those ticked so that you receive an email when someone leaves a comment. And when you do want to manage your comments, you can either do it from the dashboard or you can click on the comments tab. That number up there shows you the number of comments that are in moderation. So if I just click on comments, it takes me to the edit comments page. So here I can see the latest 3 people that left comments. If I click on that email address, that will load up my email client automatically and I can send them an email. And I can, let's say I want to delete that comment and that one. I can click those 3 and then tick delete. Or I can unapprove the group. I can unapprove the 3 of those by ticking them and pressing unapprove here. I can mark them as spam, or I can approve them if they're already unapproved. So those 2 are unapproved. I can go tick those 2 and go approve. And that will allow those 2 comments to go on to show up on the website. And I can tick on here and I can go across to the ones that are waiting moderation. And I can approve those as well. And if I want to delete those, I can just tick them, press delete, and those comments will be deleted. That's pretty much the basics of comments and editing comments and managing comments in WordPress 2.6.